Okay, so page 387, we have an outsource. Sorry, we have an outsourcing decision model. I've just copied this to the end of the spreadsheet, and we're just going to be doing some goal seeking on this. And this is a very simple model. It's just basically we can manufacture in-house, and we have a fixed cost to set things up. But because obviously we don't have maybe transportation from a different country, we have a lower per unit cost of $125. Or we could outsource it and it costs us $175 per unit. And of course, the idea is that we need to do it to make up for this $50,000 fixed cost. We need to manufacture a certain number of units to be profitable. So this, with total manufacturing cost is fixed cost plus unit cost times by the number of production volume, and the purchasing from the supplier cost, the outsourcing cost, is the higher value, again, times the production volume. So you can say we're making 1,500 here. If we made 1,000, I automatically, I solved the problem without doing it. So we have, say we do 500, the difference between manufacturing and purchasing is $25,000. And the best decision is outsourcing. I can maybe add 600, and it's a little bit less, 700. And of course, we already found out now by the time we get to 1,000, then we get the break even. But say, for example, we didn't accidentally stumble upon this and we want to find the break even point. Our last little what if analysis, what if goal seek. And what we want to do is we want to set the cell, which is the difference in manufacturing and purchasing, to 0, our break-even point, by changing our production volume. It's a little bit like Solver, which I showed you before, but we're not optimizing, we're setting to a certain value. This problem wouldn't work in Solver because it's what we call unconstrained, in that I could just keep, say I wanted to maximize the revenue, I could just increasing the production volume, increasing, and I get an increasing difference between manufacturing and purchase. So in this instance, goal seek is the best thing to use. So again, set the cell, difference between manufacturing and purchasing, to 0, our break-even point, by setting the production volume. Click OK. And goal seek found a solution, target value 0 difference, and it gives us a production value of 1,000. So we essentially use the goal seek to find our break-even point. Very simple little tool, simpler than Solver. But if you want to find a simple goal or break-even point, then this is the tool to use.